This is Aurora Arbora by Dan Newby and Rob Glass, and for me it's a conceptual garden, an installation piece, and it's based on the Northern Lights, and it's mixed medium, so this is pretty much the only practical area, this decking that protrudes out, but otherwise there's this piece that you just walk around and look into and admire. And there's lots of different coloured perspex, we've got pieces of mirror, and underneath there's some water with the reflections, and you keep moving around and looking into it, and the whole thing keeps changing, and the way the light works through it, and you get a sound of water over here. And on this side we've got solar panels harnessing the sun's power and lighting up the garden with a few lights. And the planting carries on that theme, a kaleidoscope of colours that just continues out into the flower beds. Now, I don't quite know what to make of this, but I know it's full of energy, I know it's full of creativity, and for me, that's what these shows are all about. So I'll give it a big thumbs up. Tomorrow night.